Don't let the size fool you. This vintage pottery caddy is nearly 3/4 pound in weight. Can you believe it? Welcome to the Crafty Hobbit channel. I'm Jeanette, a home decor artist and a vintage rehab designer. And when I found this piece locally, I knew it was a perfect candidate for a studio rescue. It's so heavy. The heavy walls of the pottery ceramic make it incredibly stable, and it's going to hold cutlery or maybe even your paintbrushes if you are an artist without tipping over. So I've given it a fresh hand-painted checkerboard pattern on it so that it's going to blend right in with your French country, your courtly decor, or even your farmhouse buffalo check decor. It fits nicely with a small footprint on a tabletop, on a coffee bar, maybe even a little cafe dinette table. It's perfect to fit your cutlery in without it tipping over and upsetting the balance. If you like pieces like this and you want to see more, subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. The link for this item to learn more about it is in the video description below. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I'll see you on the next one.